Meaning of gravitate.
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 Gravitate. The word gravitate means to move towards or be attracted to something, usually due to its magnetic or gravitational pull. It can also refer to a tendency to be drawn towards a particular group or set of values. For example, an object placed near a large planet will gravitate towards it due to the planet's strong gravitational force. Similarly, a person may gravitate towards a specific career or social group based on their interests and values. Overall, the term gravitate suggests a natural attraction or inclination towards something, and can be used to describe both physical and metaphorical phenomena.